Hey guys, welcome back. Kyle Dittman here, Bullion RV, Duluth, Minnesota. Saying I'm going to do a used camper today. It is a 2017 Jayco Eagle. What is that? 336 FBOK. So we're going to get you on the outside. We'll take you inside and see what you think. This unit just got here on trade and it is sweet. So we're going to do a quick walk around on the outside, kind of point out some of the things going on. We'll get you inside and see what you think. So I don't know if you'll be able to notice in the photo, but on the very top of like the front cap right here, it does have a little bit of fading, but you know, that will be expected on a 2017 on something like this. So nothing big major to talk about, but I still want to kind of point that out just so you know, just because you're watching from home. You got the pass-through store, or the front bay storage here. A lot of nice space in there. Ton of batteries on board. Not sure what those ones are going on, if they work, but they're in here. You got dual batteries down below, so you got that going on. This is going to have two 30-pound LP tanks on board that we are going to make sure are full before you take off, and we're also going to check those batteries as well. So really nice feature there. You also have auto level on this unit, really going to be nice. The pass-through storage is just amazing. Look at the space in here. I really like this diamond plate. Make that nice and clean for dirt, grime, things like that. It's really going to be awesome. You can see the aluminum frame construction in here. On the other side, when we get there, you got to plug in some cable. So kind of want to show you your battery disconnect here with the pass-through storage. The space in there is awesome. And then you have a little extra door here, so another outdoor storage. Throw your power cord, throw extra gear in here. You do have power, so maybe you put your fridge on this side or anything extra. You got a light in here, so a nice space in here. Your whole water bay with easy setup, dry camping, city water, winterizing, hot and cold shower outside. All your tank pulls are in here, your city water connections all inside here, so you're not worried about the corrosion of the pulls. So that's going to be really great for you. Black tank flush on this unit. You got two slides on the back side, one bedroom slide, and then your main slide. Frameless windows on here, and check these tires out. You got Goodyear endurance tires on here, which is awesome. They look like they're in good shape. No weather checking, no cracking that I can see of. Really nice tires still, really good tread still on them. So solid tires on this guy. Wrapping around the back side, you got a ladder up to the roof to be able to check the seals, check everything that's going on up there. We'll see if we can get up there and kind of just look at the top. I'll kind of just point the camera up there and show you what's going on. The roof looks really clean. Top of the slide box looks really clean. Sometimes you'll see a lot of mold or things going on, but the roof actually looks really nice and clean up on this guy. So I'm not going to fully walk up there, but you kind of get the gist of that. You are set up to tow with this rig as well, so you got the hitch back here to tow. If you're out of Minnesota, plates are good till 2024, so that's going to be really nice. Off the camp side of this rig, you're going to notice you got your awning. Should open this up. It's really windy here in Duluth today, so I'm not going to open those awnings, but you got two awnings that span pretty much the whole length of the camper. Outdoor entertainment space, so with that, we'll get a little closer. You have a nice outdoor fridge. You're going to have a nice little burner to kind of do some cooking, and it looks like that has more dust than any food on it. So we do clean these units for you, so don't, just kind of look past that here in the video. And you also have a nice TV outside, along with some outdoor storage. These hinges hold it up, so you can kind of just put your stuff in there and get at it if you're out here working. And then you do have some lights out here as well. So a really nice outdoor entertainment space. And then tucked back down here, if you can see that little spot, you do have some power, and then you are going to have some lights. I don't know what these blue ones do, but they're fun. So you do have lights out here as well. So kind of a nice little spot here for you. Look at the thickness of those doors. I mean, just the insulation on those doors. They're heavy. That's nice to have. the extra security, especially in the kitchen area. Coming around the other side, you got the climate shield on here, aluminum frame, vacuum aluminum strength construction. And again, these tires on this side, same story. Doesn't look like any uneven wear. The tires are still good. Same tires over here, so looks like they upgraded the tires, which is awesome. Speakers down below, which is gonna be really nice because you're always sitting at the campsite, so having your speakers down by you, which is gonna be really nice. Here's the other side of that pass-through. Again, you got your cable, satellite, plug-ins, so you can kind of create maybe an outdoor entertainment. If that one's not enough, you can do a lot of stuff up here as well, so that's gonna be really nice. These doors are slam latch baggage doors. Can just start closing things up as we go. And then up front, you got even more plugs, so whatever you want to use those for. So we'll swing inside and we'll check out the inside real quick. I want you to notice right as you walk in, your thermostat, you got a ceiling fan right here, all your light switches, spot to hang some coats, and then this is going to be your control center. So lights, slides, electric heater, gas heater, all that stuff's going to be right there. Check your tanks. We're going to pop up into the bedroom right away. You have a nice grab handle as you're going up. This bedroom does have carpet, but it's in pretty good condition for a 17. King size bed in here. Little space on the side of the bed with power right down there. You do have a little end nightcap, maybe to tuck a phone or something on that, but not a whole lot of space. Couple reading lights, AC in the bedroom, and this is really neat. You have this little loft, great for if you got small grandkids, you know, extra storage up there. It does have this little ladder to kind of get up into it if you wanted to get up in there. Otherwise, I mean, if I stick my arm, I'm about halfway. So, like I said, another great spot for just storage in there. You have a nice dresser with pull-out drawers. You can just, you know, solid wood, feel the quality of the build. Another little USB charging station, has a TV in the bedroom already, so that's going to be nice. Some windows in here for cross ventilation, and again, here's the other side of the bed with another plug-in down there. So and this bed does lift up, has struts. You're going to notice the two other chairs down here for the dining table. A couple other items in here that the folks left, so but this is another nice storage area on this bed. Moving into the bathroom. This bathroom is awesome. The space in here is amazing. Toilet in the corner. Look at all that floor space you have. You walk in, you got your shower, you got the seat in here, spot to put kind of soaps, skylight. Again, with these blue lights, I don't know why you have them, but they're cool. Hanging towels, so they have that all over the place. And this has a lot of lights. So you got that blue one in the shower, you got these main ones here, and then you got some ambience lights kind of backlit of the medicine cabinet. This medicine cabinet does pull open, and some good storage in there. Nice sink, spot to kind of set stuff, good counter space, good size sink, even storage. I really like that. And then you have your main closet back here with this big mirror. So hanging storage, shoe storage, foldable clothes, all that kind of shelving back there. The one downfall is there is no lights in here, but you can always add one of those little stick-em push puck lights. Get those anywhere, Walgreens, Menards, anything like that. But just look at the space in that closet, which is awesome. And I mean, like I said, the space in this bathroom, it is really, really nice. And then you also have this gigantic storage here as well. Let me see. I don't know if it's washer dryer prep. I mean, there's a pipe and stuff, so we can definitely check into that. But and there's power, so I want to say yes, but I don't want to fully say yes. But I mean, the amount of storage in there is awesome. So This is just one of the bathrooms. There is a half bath down on the main level, but I just wanted to kind of get you up here first. So we'll head on down there, get you into the main level. So right as you walk in, again, here's that half bath. A lot of good space in here as well. Again, with the backlit on the medicine cabinet. You know, let's see, this guy pops open. So the same exact medicine cabinet in this bathroom. Again, with a nice big countertop. A little small corner storage. The lights in here. Both of them are porcelain toilets. So really nice to have that second bath on the main level, so you're not always having to go up, especially with that bathroom back in your bedroom, having your guests, your friends, or even you just kind of heading into this first one. The space back here is awesome. A lot of different seating options. So you have the dinette table, and again, those two other chairs are up in the bedroom. A lot of really good windows in here. You have a nice island with power plugs. Big double door fridge and freezer from Norco. This one is a gas electric. So you have that. You have a pantry right to the right of there. So really nice space in the pantry. Stovetop, 3-burner cooktop with a good size oven. That thing looks clean. Doesn't even look like they threw a pizza or anything in there. Again, that is a really nice clean oven. Storage under it. Under the sink, there's a lot of storage as well. One side has shelving, the other side does not, so a nice spot for a garbage can. More storage, pull-out drawers, so really a lot of good storage in this unit. Power USB on the countertop, above head storage. And then you do have your AC down here, and I want you to notice that these are going to be like your AC ducts. So notice there's no big AC here in the ceiling like there is in the bedroom. I'm going to show you this one that pops out. So that's typically what everybody's used to seeing back here. So what that means is it's going to be a lot quieter of an AC in this space here. And with that fan running, that's going to distribute all that cool air. That's going to be really nice for if you pop that on. Lights above the dinette table are on a dimmer switch, so you can dim those or shut them off. We'll see if we can catch the look on here. We'll see if we can get them to dim. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, so those dim a little bit, which is going to be really awesome. The furniture, great condition on the furniture. No real wear and tear on the armrests. The middle, there's a spot for your TV remotes and all that. The headrests on here look really great. Let's see, let's sit down. You're right across from the TV, the fireplace. These chairs are comfortable. You don't sink in. They're a nice, comfortable chair. You got a nice couch in the back. That does turn into a sleeper couch, so if you did have guests and you want to put them back here, you definitely have that space. Nice overhead cabinetry as well. Again, solid wood. You can kind of see the detail on the wood. Kind of gives you a nice little look to it. I really like that. Again, windows everywhere to open those up. Get good cross ventilation. Get good light in here. You know, keep an eye on the kids at the campsite. If your view's out the back at the lake, you got that. Nice view over here. So a very, very nice, clean rig overall. Again, it's a 2017 Jayco Eagle. So my name is Kyle Dittman. I'm here at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. I'm in sales. I'd love to help you out any way I can. Please feel free to give me a text, shoot me a call anytime at 218-740-4964. And again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're almost to 16,000 subscribers, which is huge. Charlie, our marketing guy, has been doing a great job, so really getting that moving. Our goal, we want to get it up to 20 and keep growing it. So it's you guys really helping us out, so we really appreciate that. So again, my name is Kyle. Shoot me a call. Happy to help any way I can. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.